Mini vlog earlier after I shared the module of instruction to these Ducati Scrambler QC, and Steph is here. Grabe, papunta pa lang kami sa training area and nagkadulas-dulas na kami. It's just so slick. The mud is so sticky and off-camber itong area na to kasi, and they weren't expecting that. So I did a demo and teach them all the techniques and everything, encourage them and all, and told them actually, and then here they are in their second set.
May Ducati Scrambler boys, Takadang simulation, muddy uphill here at the playground. Let's go! Dulas oh. Nice! Dulas oh. Dulas ito guys. Nice! Kulang sa puwelo. Let's go! Very good! Very good! Very good! Okay yung forma, okay yung form. Bossy, kulang tayo ng speed, konting speed sa baba. Let's go! Gas! Dulas oh. Grabe, grabe. Grabe! Dulas nun.